Hi guys, welcome to Sherman Oaks. I'm really excited to show you guys this beautiful, absolutely stunning home. As you can see, this house was, I think completely redone in 2022. You have this beautiful glass garage door. You have these amazing pavers that are just absolutely gorgeous. It goes with the theme of the house. Beautifully manicured lawns. Sherman Oaks prides themselves on having really beautiful modern homes. A lot of people that are buying in this area are looking for something like this, super modern, ready to move in. They don't want to do the work. So I'm going to take you guys inside right now. But before I do, I'm going to show you guys these beautiful tall doors. And look at this. This is beautiful ceramic tile here. It's just gorgeous with the ring camera here. So as you're walking into the entrance, you're going to see these beautiful, stunning floors. 14-foot ceiling heights. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. A lot of recessed lighting. You're gonna see how open it is when you're walking in, how welcoming it is. You have a coat closet here to your right. You have 4 skylights all over here in this beautiful open floor plan. So you have this amazing, huge foyer walking into your dining area right here. It's just stunning, absolutely stunning. And your beautiful living area with that gorgeous fireplace right there. You could just sit here and just, enjoy your home. This home is 4 bedrooms, 4 bath, 2,900 square foot with a lot size of 8,900. And the price point on this is 1.85 million. And, it's just absolutely stunning. There's nothing to do. As you can see here in the kitchen, you have the waterfall countertops, the quartz countertops here. You have those beautiful backsplashes right here. And these are all Thermador appliances, which are really high end. You have a little pantry right here that you could put all your cereals and stuff. And it's not that little, actually. It's actually pretty nice size. But you have this oversized island that you could have people sit here. You're, entertaining. You could, pop open a bottle of wine right here in this wine freezer, a wine fridge. Gorgeous dishwasher, and you have this, the stone sink, which is really popular nowadays. You could put all your beautiful decorative things here because you have the glass. Cabinetry here with black handles. So it's just a lot of room in this kitchen. You have this beautiful picture window right here looking at the ficus trees. The previous videos I did talk about the ficus trees. A lot of people in this area love to put these ficus trees here because as it grows, it provides a lot of privacy, and all they have to do is just trim the hedges when the time comes. But just all in all, this house is a wow, really. I'm like really super stunned by this house. We have these fold-out doors here that leads to the backyard, and this beautiful outdoor patio, indoor-outdoor living that you could have. You could just build a beautiful like outdoor kitchen, and this could be like all flowing in one. A lot of light coming in to this house, so it's just beautiful. I'm going to take you guys to the bedrooms right now. Here we are in bedroom number 1, right off of the entry of the house. To your left, you have this beautiful room that you could use for office. It could be an extra bedroom. You have these beautiful, huge dual pane windows right here. And check out this closet. It's just beautiful. It's like really well done mirrored glasses. And also you have all this kind of storage that has been built in here. So it's really, really stunning the way they have done this. We have the ceiling fan, and we have this beautiful brand new bathroom here with just a gorgeous vanity with black trims. We have this beautiful porcelain tiles and a really nice shower with a rain shower up there, which is really cool. All in all, just a beautiful room. These are all touch, so I don't know, let's just see, but it should be working. Anyways, the light comes on when you turn this on. I don't know how to do this right now. I don't want to break it. But I'm going to take you guys to the other bedrooms now, okay? So this is bedroom number 2. Pretty nice size, really high ceilings, guys. Check this out. Recessed lighting, beautiful wood flooring. It's just stunning. Really nice size closet. I finally got the mirror to work, so I'm going to show it to you right now. That's the mirror. And you have this beautiful stand-in shower with this huge rain shower. It's fantastic. So we're going to bedroom number 3. By the way, this house has Google's Nest, which controls the temperature here. This is bedroom number 3. Again, high ceilings, beautiful ceiling fan, recessed lighting, a gorgeous closet with tons of storage over here. Beautiful dual pane, oversized windows, I would say. I mean, these are really big windows. We're going to be coming into bathroom number 3. So just keep in mind, we have 4 bathrooms and a half a bath here in this house. And here it is. I got this to work again. Okay. So check out this beautiful vanity. We have another standing shower with rain shower over there. Beautiful tiles on the walls. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. It matches the flooring. Beautiful porcelain tiles here. So it's just done really with great taste. Everything here with this house is coming together, has the same theme, very modern, very sleek. And it's just really like, you know, minimal living at best. So I'm going to take you guys to the best and final place, which is a master bedroom. Come with me. So best place of the house, the master bedroom. Again, look at these tall ceilings, just beautiful. This is a beautiful sized bedroom. And I'm going to show you guys how you can walk outside to your backyard from the bedroom using that oversized sliding door. But again, beautiful oversized windows, recessed lighting, just gorgeous flooring. I think this is engineer wood, if I'm not mistaken. But, you know, we have a his and her closet, okay? So you guys don't have to fight over the shoes and the clothes. You have your closet and the missus has her closet. So we have 2 closets here on each side. And then we're gonna be coming into this humongous master bathroom with this oversized shower bathtub. Oh my God. I would not want to get out of this bathroom. It's just beautiful. This is all marble flooring. This is beautiful way of having the drainage put in that matches with the theme of the bathroom. You have beautiful walls here, a big oversized rain shower on both sides actually. And you have this gorgeous bathtub right here that you can sit here and just enjoy and just have a, you know, your own private time. We also have, what should I say, recessed lighting. I mean, this house is gorgeous. What am I going to say? We have these beautiful, beautiful vanities, really super, super sleek, super modern. I love this. It's 2 sinks and it's just done really well. And we also have these lights again, for the love of God. Okay, anyways, you know what I'm talking about. And then you have your commode here. You have your private office right here, your toilet. You can close the door and just have your privacy. So all in all, it's just a beautiful house. Let me take you guys to the backyard right now because I want to show you how you can go there from your master bedroom. I promise I'm going to show you guys how you can go from your master bedroom into the backyard. And here we are, beautifully paved flooring. Check this out. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning. It's so relaxing. You have this beautiful oversized, you know, awning or, you know, whatever you want to call it, like covering, patio covering, and you have this beautiful eating area, your sitting area. You could hang a nice TV here. By the way, all the stuccos on this house are smooth stuccos, okay? So there's no grooves or anything. It's all smoothly done. Beautiful lighting outside. And then you have this grass area. I mean, you could put a pool in the back if you want, or you can just leave it like this, but it's just absolutely stunning. I mean, you have mature trees here, and then you have the ficuses that are all along to create more privacy for this house. And I want to show you guys this area, which is really cute, okay? Come check this out. So they have all these drought-friendly plants that they've put here. And look how pretty it is. You could actually, you know, if you wanted to replant and put your own vegetable garden and something, you could do that here. But it's just really pretty. I mean, it just adds a lot of, you know, I think desirability to this house. I mean, this house doesn't need anything really. I would move in here tomorrow. But if you want to move in here tomorrow, give me a call. Go ahead and message me below. Again, we're in Sherman Oaks area of San Fernando Valley. If you guys are looking for homes in Valley, Glen, Sherman Oaks, or anywhere in San Fernando Valley, go ahead and hit me up if you're looking for a house like this or something smaller. And I'll be happy to show it to you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.